Ain't a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bankrolls, cause I got bankrolls and I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make
You don't want no swerve smoke.
Oh! They going at it. Whoa! Oh, A-Rap say you wanna get it in. Oh! That nigga crazy. Oh, y'all fucking dead. Y'all fucking dead. Whoa!
Yo, Chris! Chris, come here! Hello? I don't know yet. What's up? You. Should I do that? Just fucking give it.
I mean, if everyone sees that he wants something, then they're gonna be like, yo, I want to do it too. So then do it. So you can get rid of all of it. If somebody sees that he won, then they're gonna be like, yo, I want that.
Yeah. And I'm gonna just throw this and then I'm gonna get busy. Bro, you can't just stop.
You go, bro?
Yeah.
Y'all know how we coming.
with me though.
Ooh, that shit hard as hell.
Come on, boy. We're riding bicycles. Yeet. You don't even have your wheel up. You can't do that. No! You cheater. You're a cheater. I'm not, don't worry. First time at a Rideout. Come on, buddy. I won't, bud. Oh, my bad.
Oh, my son.
That's my... Chill, that's my first time trying that.
Oh, he's the worst on all of them. That's what I said.
Huh?
I'm not the worst.